Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
Start by installing Ubuntu 22.04 LTS on your server or VM and perform system updates. Sudo apt update and sudo apt upgrade y. Ensure at least 1 GB RAM and 20 GB disk for a basic site and plan for more based on traffic. Create a sudo user and enable SSH for remote access. Open ports 80 and 443 on your firewall so web and HTTPS traffic can reach the server. Confirm network name resolution and set a static IP or DNS a record. Install the web stack by running sudo apt install Apache 2 PHP 8, 1 PHP 8, 1 MySQL PHP 8, 1 XML PHP 8, 1 MB string PHP 8, 1 curl y so Wordpress has required extensions. Then install MySQL 8. 0 with sudo apt install MySQL server y and run sudo MySQL secure installation to set a root password and remove test users. Create a database and user. Use create database WordPress and grant all on WordPress. Asterisk to wpuser at localhost identified by strong pass1. Set Apache document root to /var/www/html and chown www data, www data. Fetch WordPress from WordPress. Org and extract it into the web root, wget https://wordpress, org/latest, tar, gz then tar xcvf latest, tar, gzc/var/www/html strip components equals 1, create wp-config, PHP by copying wp-config sample. PHP and edit DB name to WordPress, DB user to wpuser, and DB password to strong pass1. Set auth key salts with unique phrases. Set file permissions, directories 755 and files 644, and chown r www data, www data /var/www/html. Restart Apache with sudo systemctl restart Apache 2, and complete the web-based installer at your domain.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.